guys, how's it going? Jason here again. Today we're in the L Grand and we're on our way to pick up the donor MX5. We're on our way to pick up this car here. We have the Brian James on the back, and yeah, we are 20 minutes away, so yeah, enjoy the ride. So I have the MX5 picked up now. I'll show you when I get back to the house. So what happened was I had a diesel setup that I put together for my M Mark 1, and I swapped it for a complete car, or near enough a complete car. It's a 1.8 VVT, just missing the seats, the roof, and basically the front end. But the loom and most of the trims there, and the engine, and the Fuji diff. So I'll send the diff down to my McNeil engineer and get it rebuilt. But yeah, we have now got the brains, or the heart, for our MX5. Excellent. Alright, I'll catch up with you again when I get back to the house. This is the donor shell. Nothing special, but it's gotta do our job for what we need. Class. Alright, let's get unloaded. So here it is in all its 30 glory. It is pretty rough, but it runs quite well, and I suppose that's all that matters. Dusty. Grimy. Subframes are all pretty grimy as well. I was hoping to use the subframes, possibly. May clean up alright, but that there, look at that. Ugh. But anyway, look right here. It's not that bad. 82,774 miles. It runs. Windscreen's good. Need to check to see if a windscreen from an MB fits in NA. It looks the same. If it is the same, hopefully these are the same too, because I like these. Bling bling. I'll say it does look kind of manky, but everything's gonna get cleaned up anyway, so who cares? I'm gonna go around the loom and put tape around all the stuff I don't need, and then we'll leave all that in under the dash. Perfect, what I want it for. Thanks for watching.